The big game. It was a sunny Saturday morning. The children of Maple Street were excited. Today was the day of the big soccer game. The teams were ready. The blue team and the red team were both very good. Tom was on the blue team. He wore a blue shirt and blue shorts. His friend Mia was on the red team. She wore a red shirt and red shorts. They were good friends, but today they were opponents. The game started at 10 o'clock. The referee blew the whistle, and the game began. The players ran fast on the green field. Tom kicked the ball to his teammate, Sarah. She passed it to Jack. Jack kicked the ball towards the goal, but the goalkeeper from the red team, Max, was ready. He saved the ball. The red team got the ball and moved quickly. Mia ran with the ball. She dribbled past two players. Then she kicked the ball towards the goal. It was a great shot, but Tom jumped and saved it. The crowd cheered. After a lot of running and playing, the score was still 0-0. Finally, in the last minute of the game, Tom saw an opening. He took the ball and ran. He kicked it hard, and the ball went into the goal. The blue team won 1-0. Everyone cheered for Tom, but Mia smiled too. "Good game," she said. They shook hands and promised to play together again. Sports are fun, but friendship is even better.